Good morning to you. I'm Callie Zanandrie in the First Alert Weather Center with a check of your forecast. Well, up to the high country, snow continues to fall. Icy snowpack conditions. This is a live look from our CDOT camera, I-70 east of the Eisenhower Tunnel. Traffic at a standstill there with those road conditions. Up to Crested Butte now, 18 inches of counting. Fresh powder there, snow on top of snow. We have a winter storm warning in pink, a winter weather advisory in purple. So if you are headed to the high country, expect winter driving conditions, especially on the higher peaks and passes. We could see blowing and drifting snow. On the First Alert satellite and radar this morning, we saw a wintry mix pass through northeast Colorado. A few light rain showers make their way through the metro area earlier this morning. Snow in the high country starting to wrap up along the I-70 corridor and north through Steamboat, but we're continuing to see snow down in the southern mountains. As we put the futurecast into motion by noon, snow continues in the southern mountains. We could see a brief rain shower through Pueblo, and then we will see snow return this evening through the southern mountains. We could see a brief rain shower along the Palmer Divide, out on the eastern plains, mostly cloudy conditions by 6 p.m. here in the metro area as well as the eastern plains. By tomorrow morning, snow will start up again along the I-70 corridor and down in the southern mountains. Will be dry here in the metro area, but then by tomorrow evening, not out of the question that we could see a brief flurry or a light rain shower throughout the I-25 corridor. Temperatures this morning mild, 44 at the airport, 45 in Boulder, 47 in Fort Collins, 38 this morning in Vail, 41 in Alamosa, 34 in Pagosa Springs, and 42 in Grand Junction. Here in the metro area, we'll top out at 53 in Denver as well as Broomfield and Boulder, 56 today in Longmont and Loveland, and 54 in Fort Collins for a high. Out on the eastern plains near 60 degrees in Lamar and Springfield, mainly in the 30s up in the high country and 40s to the west. And then overnight tonight we'll drop down in the mid 20s here in the Front Range, teens and 20s out east, as well as up in the high country and 30s out to the west with mostly cloudy skies. Now remember to spring forward. Tonight we lose an hour of sleep and the sun will set 1 hour later. So tomorrow, Sunday, sunrise will be at 7:16 a.m. Sunday sunset will be at 7:03 p.m. and always a good idea to test your smoke alarms. Make sure the batteries are still charged or change them out. So tomorrow, slightly cooler, 44 degrees, just a slight chance that we could see that passing shower. Then Monday will be dry, mostly sunny, and into next week we'll be in the 60s both Tuesday and Wednesday before a next change comes our way on Thursday. A cold front moves through, dropping us back into the 40s, and we have a chance to see a little light rain snow mix Thursday into Friday, just in time for St. Patrick's Day on Friday. Next weekend looks mild with temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s.